Hey y'all, this is my client. I did a wig install on her using my LaceMate Magic Bond brand, and I did this install was August the 21st,
Yes.
and today's September the 18th.
Yes.
And go ahead and explain your experience, Veronica.
Well, it was very fun because it was super simple. I didn't have to really do much maintenance, no lifting. Even when I went to the gym and worked out a lot, it still held great. Especially with the hot humidity, it was great to experience no problems with the actual glue in the installment.
And what about the residue? Have you noticed any like gooey residue at all?
Not sticky, not clunky, or any type of anything on my hair. So,
and you say you work out a lot,
I do.
and you
Very
sweat
active.
and stuff. And
Absolutely.
the only part that, again, I installed this on August the 21st, today September the 18th.
Yes.
And the only part that lifted, and was the only reason why I lifted was because of what, Veronica?
Yes, because I got
Show
wet
them.
on the edge. So this is the only area that I had an issue with, actually a day ago, just because I got extremely wet,
Right.
not from sweating, but someone actually threw water on me.
Oh, okay.
So that was the only issue minor
Right.
issue that I had. But other than that, yeah, the glue held together very well.
So LaceMate works well with you
Yes.
because you live an active lifestyle, you work a lot, and you just don't have time to keep laying glue.
Nope.
And would you recommend this glue, LaceMate Magic Bond, to
Absolutely.
your clients?
Absolutely.
Perfect. So yeah, hold this for me. I'm going to just kind of,
Oh, do I hold?
yeah.
Oh, you hold it?
Yeah, just kind of show. Today I'll pretty much just be tacking this part down for the most part. For the most part, you guys can see, it's still holding even after what, over almost a month.
Almost a month,
And
yeah.
it's still on there, you guys. Look at that.
Still there.
It's still holding on, which is a good thing. It's very low maintenance. So my LaceMate Magic Bond is very high performance. And it pretty much works well with each individual's body chemistry. If you're a heavy sweater, it'll be perfect for you guys. Yeah, that's pretty still on there. That's amazing. Okay, anything else you want to say, Veronica?
It's actually a lifesaver. I don't have to do anything to my hair.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks.